As development teams need metrics to quantify and qualify the performance of software delivery and monitor its processes, they can benefit from utilizing the 4 key metrics from DORA. This is a series of videos about the 4 key metrics from DORA, or DevOps Research and Assessment. And in this video, we will talk about the metric Time to Restore Service, as well as its benefits and impact. Time to Restore Service measures how much time a team spends to recover the primary service that is impacting business performance. A scalable software usually uses a microservices model in its architecture to supply the demands of the software's usage and also to split some functionalities of the software into services, in a way that won't impact the primary service in case an unplanned outage happens. With that, some services are such a high priority that if there is any chance of downtime, it will impact the business. So teams must be able to restore them as quickly as possible, and that is what this metric measures in the software delivery cycle. The method of measurement is by hour, so elite teams are expected to take less than 1 hour to get the service back to business. The benefit of monitoring this metric is that you can see the gaps in your software delivery cycle easily and find the solutions to get your service up as fast as possible. An example of a gap in your high availability plan is that you can see why a server from a different region is taking a long time to connect and get your application up and running when an outage occurs. So the faster you can identify the problem and resolve it, your software and business will face a less negative impact. If you want to learn more about what DORA metrics are, why elite teams master those metrics, and the benefits of using them in your project, check out a previous video we did on DORA metrics in the description below. If you're looking for tools that can help you measure all 4 DORA metrics and speed up your software delivery, our Developer Control Plan can help you with that. The Developer Control Plan automatically calculates the 4 key metrics from DORA according to your deployment data that is sent to it. So you add events on your YAML file and integrate your app to the platform and start sending those data to be automatically calculated for your software delivery. Try our Developer Control Plan today. We have a link in the description below to help you get started. Thanks for watching and see you next time.